Our society is still grappling with divisions fueled by ethnic tensions, economic disparities, and sadly, the abuse of religious loyalties. Nigerians are therefore called to reach out across ethnic, political, and religious lines to bridge the gaps, these gaps that have been created. We are called to heal the wounds and to reconcile differences. Today, there are many victims of violent attacks. People sacked from their homes due to the nefarious activities of terrorists, bandits, kidnappers, and so on. Only 3 days ago, in Sabon Kau, Abuja, in one of our parishes, 15 people were kidnapped, including a major seminarian, and they are still unaccounted for. And the next day, bandits burned the parish house in Fadang, Kamantang of Kafanchan Catholic Diocese, with Naaman Stephen, a major seminarian, trapped and killed inside the burning house. Our faith remains a guiding light, just as the psalmist reminds us in Psalm 144, verse 18, that the Lord is near to all who call upon him. The Gwandara, the Ganagana, and Afo, and others, they were the real occupants of here. They were the indigenous settlers. They were the first to be here in Abuja before we came and swept them to the periphery. And where they are settled now is also where some job seekers who have left their various states and left their homes to come to Abuja to get a means of livelihood live. Most of these people, some of them live in the peripheries. But when you ask them where do they live, they say they live in Abuja. But they are likely to live in those peripheries where there is absence of amenities. That is where they live. It is saddening also to learn that buildings, especially occupied by these poor people, suffer the fate of demolition without first taking adequate measures to give them an alternative accommodation. These people have settled there for 5, 10, 15 years. Nobody disturbed them. A responsible administration will tell them, look, where you are settling is not allowed, and move them away right away. But you allow them to settle for 10 years, for 15 years, and suddenly one day you come and you crush everything they have built and whatever they have, without providing an alternative. Something should be done about that.